guys, Realtor Mike here. I'm at South Coast Plaza Mall in Orange County. So it's one of the high-end malls here in the area, in California actually. All the great brands are here, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, everything. But I stopped here at this particular store, the back of me right now, Monique Lhuillier, or Monique Lhuillier, whatever your preference for pronunciation might be. She's a Filipina, based in Cebu, from the Lhuillier clan. One of the people whom I really admire since she made her own name here in the States or internationally. We all know she's a billionaire back in the Philippines, an international billionaire, yung family nila. Based on what I read and watched about her person and her business, she made it all the way to the top, the industry in the States, internationally, by herself, by her great brand. So why am I saying this? Yung Santa Rosa area, Super South area is economic zone siya, known for factories, non-smoke emitting factories where the international parts are made. International meaning yung mga Apple microchip that are made, and many parts of what the world consumes is made in the Philippines. Yun, so the Super South, yung the Nuvali area, from Laguna, Cavite, Lipa, Batangas, that area, daming factories, which is contributing to the international economy. Just wanted to let you know now, I've neighbors, friends, golf mates, church mates, who are engineers who are working in those American companies, international companies. Shout out to Peter Gonzalez of On Semiconductor Company. Yan, my good friends. Sige, yun muna. Just wanted to share that insight of being really proud to be a Filipino with Monique Lhuillier, with the engineers, factory people, top executives working in the Super South area, Calabarzon, Nuvali area. They're contributing to the international economy. Yan. So just read into it, and probably you'll see, uy, dito pala gawa yun sa Philippines. So yun na, Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. God bless. Bye.